Alrighty, YouTube. Here we go. YouTube followers, friends, viewers. Let me show you guys this beautiful Chevy 3500 Duramax here. This thing is in really good condition, well taken care of. Big booty, dually. We've done some work on this truck in the past. We replaced the mirrors here to the tow mirrors. They light up, turn signal, all that good stuff. Today we're going to be installing some amp research PowerSteps. Because, you know, that's what we do here. We do all kinds of installs. If you guys are interested, we can definitely help you guys out with any of your install needs. We're also going to be getting some cluster work done. As you can see, this gauge here, it's already kind of out of place, along with the speedometer. Truck's not even on. And we're going to be changing out the color on it. So here we go. Let's get into it. I'll take you guys along as best as I can. You know, it gets really busy here at the shop, so I try to make these videos to help you guys out on how to do it yourself, but sometimes it's just too difficult to do it that way because I gotta move, I gotta get things done and move on to the next job. So if I'm no help on showing you how to do it, if you don't want to do it, come by the shop. I'll take care of it for you and all that good stuff. All right, guys, let me get started. Here we go.